Hello everyone and happy Easter. It is 84 degrees out here and it is just so beautiful and sunny. Today I will be making the tutorial for Death Could Not Hold Him. This is MariaLovesArt and I am editing the video outside just for a little bit and enjoying the breeze. So I am using some painter's tape and I have to cut it down a little bit because it is just too wide for this little canvas board. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Make sure you make one a little longer than the other so you can form a cross. I am using some burnt umber. This is made by DecoArt and it is the ready to pour acrylic. I'm going to go ahead and spread the paint around with my fingers. I'm going to use some blue. This is Artist Loft. I am now applying some violet Artist Loft paint. I am applying some DecoArt Ready to Pour Coral paint. I'm going to go ahead and add some lemon acrylic pour paint from DecoArt. And now some gold Artist Loft acrylic pour paint. I will be adding white and then you will see me be adding the same colors over and over. This is always the fun part, watching the colors run together. I'm going to use a straw so that way I can blow the paint around. I am adding some green neon in DecoArt. So I'm moving the paint around with the end of my brush and I will be using the straw to blow the paint around also. This is the pink neon in DecoArt acrylic pour. Here is the painting. It is still very wet, and as you could tell the paint is very uneven, but once it dries it'll be better. This is by far the messiest project you could ever use with acrylic pour. It's just so messy. but it is very fun to watch the colors as they blend together. The paint has now dried, and I'm going to go ahead and take the tape off. I am going to be adding some acrylic paint. I was working in my art room when I was painting this, so you can see the light reflect on the painting. I'm doing some finger painting here. Well, this is how I made the Death Could Not Hold Him video and painting. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful rest of your Easter.